I'm a little late with this video, but I thought that anyways I will go ahead and film it. Etsy last month released some news regarding their search algorithm updates. Today we are going to take a look at these updates, and we are going to implement these tips and these updates on one of my listings in my Etsy shop. As you all know, Etsy SEO is a very important part of the ability of your shop to get found in the Etsy search, so that you don't have to generate all of the traffic to your shop. Of course, you always want to play by Etsy's rules, and the rules are constantly changing. That's why I'm making this video, even if I'm a little bit late. But you have to be on top of your Etsy SEO to be easily found on Etsy and to be on the first or second page. Because if you're on the third page or even lower, chances of people finding your listings are getting smaller and smaller and smaller. So let's take a look together at the new SEO updates and let's correct one of my listings. Hello there, my name is Emese from Everything Digital, and here on this channel I talk about digital products, making money online, and business finance. Without any further ado, let's talk about Etsy SEO updates. Here we are in the Etsy community tab, and here is the post that I wanted to talk about one of the community managers from Etsy. So the post says the following, that the listing description has always been important for Etsy and also for Google, because Google will pull your Etsy listings based on the images, based on the description of your listing, and of course on the title too. They say that Etsy considers your keywords and phrases within your listing description when ranking listings. Of course, they consider titles and tags, just they are talking here about the description part. Yes, they say that listing titles, categories, and attributes are still essential, so nothing has changed there. So what they mean by this announcement, that you should not copy your title verbatim as your first paragraph in your description. Instead, try to write as a human and not as a computer who has some keywords to recognize, and incorporate your important keywords into a paragraph of 3 to 4 lines, and you should incorporate as many of your keywords into these lines as possible. Here is what they exactly said in the post. Aim to incorporate relevant keywords in the first few sentences of your listing description. Avoid copying your title verbatim or simply listing your top keywords. Instead, you want to craft a sentence or two that casually incorporate a few of your top keywords. And continue to include important information that will help buyers best understand your product. So these are the major updates that they came out with in May. They came out with another update in June, but I will talk about that in a separate video. Now let's go to the back end of my printable planner shop. Let's select one of those listings and let's correct the description, because I'm not adhering 100% to these rules with my descriptions. So let's go. Here we are in the listing section of my printable planner shop. Now let's select an item that sold recently and sells quite good. Let's select this credit card payment tracker. And let's go down to the description. And as you can see, the first thing here is my title, copy pasted. So now let's rewrite this title and put the keyword into a few sentences, not just for a computer to recognize. So let's start with something like this. This credit card payment tracker is, you need to keep on top of your debt, credit card debt. I don't know why I wrote it with big letters. Let's say now, next sentence. Using a debt payment tracker, yes. in your monthly budgeting, in your monthly budget, along with your monthly budget. Along with your monthly budget, will make your finance planner more detailed. Oh, by the way, this is an awesome Chrome extension. It's called Grammarly. I can't recommend it enough. I will put a link down below in the description for Grammarly. It is an awesome tool, especially if your first language is not English but another one. My first language is Hungarian, although I live in Romania. One of my biggest weaknesses is typing fast, and I'm not always checking how correctly I'm typing. So this is where Grammarly comes in as a lifesaver. And let's write a few more sentences. When I don't know what to write anymore, I go scroll down and I check out all of my other keywords. This way I make sure that as many of the keywords from the tags are included in the description. So let's scroll down and let's see. Yes, and if I'm here, then I will update the tags as well. Yes, so I removed 4 of the old keywords and now I added 4 new keywords that I think are more relevant. And let's try to incorporate these keywords into the description. That's how I would update my description. That's how easy it is. And let's update the title if you are here. And let's hit publish. And we are done. That's how you update your Etsy listings so that they align with the new Etsy description rules and the new Etsy search algorithm. It's not that hard, but when you get to 200, 400, 800 listings in a shop, it will take up a lot of your time to update each and every listings. So what you can do is to set out to update, let's say 10 to 15 listings each day. This way you will be not so overwhelmed by the amount of work that you have to do. And within no time, let's say within a month, all of your listings will be up to date and running and will be in a compliance with the new Etsy search rules. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will never miss another video in which I talk about digital products, making money online and business finance. Also follow me on Instagram and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!